In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in FTMO. By the end, you'll know exactly where to grab your credentials and how to connect in MetaTrader 5 on desktop, with clear tips to avoid the most common login errors. The same approach works across MT4, MT5, mobile, and desktop, but I'll demonstrate the MT5 desktop flow so you can follow along confidently. Start in your FTMO client area. Open the Account Overview and then the Login Credentials section. Here you'll find three essential items: your login, which is your trading account ID, your password, and the exact server name you must connect to. Copy each one carefully. It's best to use copy and paste to prevent typos, and be mindful of accidental spaces at the beginning or end when pasting. Server names can look very similar, so match them exactly as shown in your client area. With your details ready, open MetaTrader 5. If MT5 is already set up on your device and you've used it before, the quickest path is to click File, then Log in to Trade Account. Paste your login, paste your password, and select the precise server from the drop-down list. If you don't see it right away, type the name exactly as it appears in your client area. Click OK to confirm. Within a few seconds, check the bottom of the platform. You should see data updating, price quotes moving, and connection information refreshing, which indicates you're successfully connected. If this is your first time using MT5 on this computer, or if your server isn't listed yet, click File, then Open an Account. In the search field, type FTMO and wait for the list to populate. From the results, select the server that matches your client area exactly. Continue by choosing to log in to an existing trading account, then enter your login and password. Finish or click OK to complete the connection. Again, look at the bottom of the platform for updating data and moving prices to confirm you're live. If you get an invalid account or authorization failed message, the most common cause is an incorrect server or an extra space in your login or password. Recopy from the client area, paste into the fields, and double-check that the server name is an exact match. Also ensure you're choosing the correct platform type. MT5 credentials are for MT5, and MT4 credentials are for MT4. That's it. Once you see prices updating, you're connected and ready. This same pattern, gather credentials, select the exact server and log in, applies on MT4 and mobile apps as well.